Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction specialist, and today I'm in a brand new neighborhood called Pasadena Landing by Casa Fresca Homes. We're going to be touring their Jazmin model home, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, with a bonus room, 2,452 square feet, and a 3-car garage. Let's go check it out. All right, so as you come in, you got a nice wide open grand entry here. We're gonna start in the main areas and then we'll come back to the bedroom. So as you come in, this is a wide open concept. So you have a beautiful kitchen, huge center island, quartz countertops, loads of cabinets here. I love the built-ins on this side. And then this flows and connects your dining room space and then into your living space here. Off your living space, you have this wide covered patio here. And as you can see, you could have some seating over here. You got a TV, you could add a barbecue, you could screen this in, you could extend this as well. All right, now we're heading back inside and we're gonna start in the owner suite, which is gonna be the right wing of the home. So you got a nice size owner suite. You got big furniture in here. I love the windows, bringing in the natural light. And then this is gonna come into your ensuite bathroom. So we got quartz countertops, dual sinks over here. We have a glass walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. All right, we're gonna come back and check out the rest of the home. So directly across here, this is actually going to be your bonus room. You have this big space back here. You could turn this into whatever you want. A game room. This could be a secondary living space, a home office. All right, and we're going to come back. So about midway in the house, we have another bedroom over here. And this bedroom actually has its own bathroom inside the room. So we'll call this bedroom number 2. Tub shower combo over here. Quartz countertops. And then you do have a small little walk-in closet. So we're going to come back out to the main part of the house and we're going to go directly across to the other side. So they have this set up as a home office. This is a bedroom. You do have your closet over here. So this would be the 3rd bedroom that we're now in. And then we're just going to hook around this corner here. This will lead you to your garage. This is going to be your laundry room. So we do have washer, dryer. You could eventually add cabinetry and you got enough space if you wanted to add a laundry sink in the future. Now we're back at the front wing of the house. So you're going to have 2 more full bedrooms and then in between a full bathroom. So we're going to head right here. So this appears to be a girl's room just based on the color scheme. So this would be bedroom number 4 of the home. And then we're going to go directly straight across. This is going to be bedroom number 5 here. And I love the windows bringing in all the natural light and another good sized bedroom. In between these 2 bedrooms, you have a full bathroom here, quartz countertops, tub shower combo. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you guys think of the Jazmin floor plan by Casa Fresca Homes? And if you're interested in touring this home or the Pasadena Landing community, give me a call, 813-587-2424. And remember, please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.